GH.
Or therefore, when I some name de bandi, Asham, a doom ray was says away. Asantenia, Oma when you say, we are Santini. A doom knows when you saw your Santina and say, you say, Noma echo sunina chese. Asante, fan into my pefra. Asante tetre, Nashim could be a simunina. Yes, say, Abofunaga Takas was your destiny can be delayed, but it can never be stopped. Me can we patch say, hey, we shall ready, we be betting at chance and say, name so betting me, as say we shall run over, stop you, shall be, but my be general shall ready, and see that. See, me can make Asante Shabra, or Chedian Podema, and Kayadi a mamma so. Abrofono, Emma a delay a canon so yamiadum, aside threat to the Mame kase mincho unim Adinkra symbol yi on screen so yi Adinkra symbol. Wo Adinkra symbol yi a wo hwɛ sɛ de Adinkra symbol no sɛ de sitie ɛne sɛ de yesi ayɛ no na utim sɛ ɛfɛ yi pa na ɛka nyansasɛm so ɛto ni patrim. Wɔsɛ sɛ wura fi na wo SANKOFA yɛnchi. Hyɛ sɛ SANKOFA yɛnchi. Me kan wa kan sɛ ni. Hwɛ enwoma a ɛkɔso wɔ man mu no ɛfɛ na wotia on na aye wa ho akra se wo yesantini esan se wonim se Adinkra symbol e Canada man mu on pese wo de Adinkra symbol a efe no SANKOFA eto omo bro no baako se de enche bia na kwawu man ne se yema ne din yema kwawu din ni bi e wa asante bro no ni bi no se de be ye ono nso betimi aka se oh kwawufo yeso ye bro no e wa asante man mu ni wokɔ Canada o mayi bro no baako pese wo de hoto Adinkra symbol no baako efe no SANKOFA. Na mamenka SANKOFA no wasem kakra nchew eye Adinkra symbol no eye ohene a na o German ebunu meme German. Yes, German hene a na ye friend na Kwaku Adinkra ono ena ebra na ntoma otafra na ne ba na e design sa ntoma ne ma no ebra asante di won so no o hye ne ma ne kire asantefo no na eye symbols nye maako 15 pe. Enti hwe na on say ye ka asante asem a wo kira asante ade baako say ya we omra biom no na ya apem na ye 15 pe design ye 15 pe but asante di bebre ye ka ho be ka ho ma etretire mu e ma afa die Adinkra symbol na ba be ye ade a kanfo nyina eyisu bie uko UK omu yisu edurumre bi kwa ma America fo de omu bane omu de ban na omu de wo hye eto so se hwe na omu ankire Adinkra ho asem bia wo esan se e fa asante fo ho nanso anche bia na omu etwa asa mene esan se na omu ye ho hwia enye Adinkra asante ama Adinkra ba be popular na asem ewom no ekanya nsasem ye pa ekanya nsasem ye pa se wura final SANKOFA yenchi esa kire se SANKOFA wunchi esan se yenchi na enyoma papa bi ho no ma ye gya ne ho wotima se ye gya ne ho enti mo man hwe na ye SANKOFA yenchi na me to so a eye Canada me mo mayi bro no ba kwasi o mpese o mo de SANKOFA to omako edi ho nkomo adwetwe ho nkomo ama omaji atum se wo se omo de Adinkra symbol fe ne SANKOFA and omachim say it was originated from Ghana yentie se de omama ne bofo ne di tudwa yentie ma
those most recognizable landmarks will be now getting a new name. We're live here, Chopper 24, driving over Yonge and Dundas Square, which is set to have a new name in just a few weeks. Let's go live to CV24's Courtney Heels for more on this story. Courtney, what is that new name?
SANKOFA Square, that is what this advisory committee has decided on for Yonge Dundas Square. This advisory committee has been going over a couple of different names, 4 names, over the past couple of months, deciding on this name, saying that it will speak to, it is from Ghana, excuse me, also acknowledging that the name originates and refers to the act of reflecting and renaming teaching from the past. This was important to the committee and to very many members of council, talking about acknowledging the history of Henry Dundas and its impact within the community. So that name change taking place also as part of this motion that was decided, voted on at council just yesterday, that they will be asking the TTC to rename 2 subway stations, Dundas Station and Dundas West Station, where we are live this morning. That is going to be taking place next year and the following year, though. The focus at this point on Young Dundas Square and the name that has been chosen. The mayor talked about the significance of this move.
The concept of SANKOFA originated in Ghana. It refers to the act of reflection on and reclaiming teachings from the past, enabling us to move forward together. It's just beautiful. And I couldn't think of a more fitting name for a gathering place at the heart of our city, a place where different cultures meet, celebrate, and make real the promise of our city as a global beacon of hope, a place where everyone feels they belong.
See, said ye, almost in 72 Jana, what him say, Adinkra, what him say, Yancy woman, a more doing to a imagine say, a coin bias was already, sir, a Adinkra symbol you took, Brono. Namania ye papa, person say, a pro a dream in Tiasis. Asante, a quetch, it's all Asantinia. Maninya wahua. They say, oh, Canada, oh, yeah, Santina or Canada, or better, as I was say, oh, me, what SANKOFA Tadi. Not just yet the Ghana abreu. Yes, that is the power of Asante. But what they say, Obeja Asante flag, baby, I will be na. Ama wa represent Asante, oh baby, I will be a said the bear. Obi biara hu obeka sampa o ya Santini. Saa na de SANKOFA broni bi to Canada ya kase Asante fo mu na ma yenya Canada o. Brono ai Canada brono ai frɛ no SANKOFA. Saa pepepe na etie o. Na mi to aso a eya ebra Britain for ne Asante fo kun ya omo Asante bu omo imprenum a ekyire yi. Omo saba de bia so omo ka history na ya omo pese omo be ka ho because eya bi mu den so omo be gia tum sa Asante ebo Britain for ne imprenum ansa na omo kofa obi amana ba na so omo be keka amanaman abom ama omo be di Asante so. Sa pepepe na tie na omo di nkunim no America Britain hima Queen na ote edwa so sabre no medal bi de mas omo de bom aba se ewiase nyina omo ana omo ku a obre a omo bre wo omo nsa no pa Asantefo into medal ni de ma yes medal ni de screen so a wo hwem Asante de ye kasma ni a chiro receipt enya se ye ba betena ni adwa enum keke ye chiro receipt na mo se no kre. This is what really happened. What must say aha enti onya me kasa me to so a GTV foko pie mo menhia ema omuko se omukwa kugusegusa amamre ni amane mu nsem a ego no na utimu se yes o kire nsem ekwan Asante fa so bae ne sade esi church ya hyemu ebi nyin ni se empo Asante was controlling almost every part of the country called Ghana. People don't understand, but yenko hwese de nchemu ni si koye esi fine yenko hwemra ba atwa so.
Asante almost conquered the entire nation, now Ghana. And it extended beyond even then Gold Coast.
Okay.
To parts of Togo, Burkina and Ivory Coast.
All right.
So right now, if you see the northern part of this nation, yes, we have the Banda area, we have the Dagomba area, Gonjaland and the rest. They were part of Asante Kingdom. So normally we say Asante Kingdom instead of Ashanti Kingdom. Because the moment you say Ashanti, you are limited the kingdom only to Ashanti region.
And again, quickly before we go, having the north as part of the is it Ashanti or Asante?
Yeah, Asante.
Asante Kingdom. Is that also the reason why, as part of Ohene's accolades, we sometimes refer to him as Seremu Seijata?
You are right. You are right. You are right. And like if you look at even the origin of Asante, I personally believe, or I share the school of thought that says that Asante first settled at the northern part of the before moving to the forest zone.
Wonderful.
So Asante and the northerners, they are because sometimes we call them Intafo. And so sometimes we call them Intafo. The other Inta is Asante people.
Exactly.
So we will do everything together.
So you actually took the wind out of. I was going to ask you, who is the other twin in the
Yes, we are the one.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
that is so. It is proper you say Asante King. Instead of Ashanti. And for all you know, for records, Asante is not a tribe.
Yes.
Asante is a union of tribes that came together to form a nation.
So and the origin of the word or the actual meaning of the word Asante, would you throw a little light on it as we go on?
Yes, two school of thought that says that Asante means because of war. Asante.
Okay.
Asante, they came together because of war. But sometimes don't share that view because Asante was formed before even the Nchira War.
Okay.
The Nchira War.
Okay.
So Asante is Asante. So it came together because there were so many small city-states around that were serving the Nchira people. They were more treated by the Nchira people. So they decided to come together for our economic freedom, our political freedom. Let's unite before even they went to war.
Wonderful.
Good. And yes, so Asante, that is the meaning. Asante comprises different tribes coming together for their political freedom, economic freedom, and for everything. So,
and Wakako into Usha, Asante Akonkoden pa Nenkomo. It is what one will be catching would say. Asante dear, Omojo Monko, Asante, Gan Asante was controlling almost every part of the country. Most. Asante were to me. Messa Asros as a young menshia, and as a won't come menshia, Conco share. Museum na Mr. Obomodin na komenhia kohwena ubehunu yoma woni so ebia na mofra no enya bibi nhweye mesre komenhia ne ko bi na efre kura kwa na nkura ne nso hu se ampa asem aye kan ye no enye se bia atworo keke asante nwoma mu odu esen bible ene me kan ne no masaka ne biem asante nwoma emu odu sen bible onte ebi nti ase yes asante nwoma mu odu sen bible ohwe asante kira de we obekire receipt no ebechira mo se enu ani ye ka ebi nti ase ne so no kre e de e ba akopɛ efa bia bi mpo eniema bi wo bible nim na se wo hwɛ na wo ka wutimu se we de eya asante asɛm na wo ka ba unim a be ho bebree san se woni eya asante enioma nko a ene wo bible nim asante nioma sapepepe ena etio enti odofo ma wo ase waje obre no ahwe me da ase so se wahwe me subscribe button na share se da bia me drop video bi a mo sabeti mi akabi meslo ma wani nje se wo ya asante ni nemu me wura kan ase bi o se e ma nwe mfi se we mo asante se ehia me da ase se wo hwe me makrao